Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. This is Chisomebi, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get an instant $50 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. Okay, so all you just need to do is to register, verify your KYC, and you message their support to credit you with the $50 no deposit bonus. Yes, so you're required to trade at least 5 lots for withdrawal. Yes, for you to be able to withdraw all your profits, you have to trade at least 5 lots, and the link to claiming this bonus will be in the description below. So if you know that you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also to share with your friends so that they can all benefit from it. So let's go as I show you how to claim the bonus.
All we do is take a little risk and make plenty of money. That's all we do. Are you prepared to take a little risk?
Okay, so for you to get the link, you just go to the description below. Then you're going to see something like this: claim your funded account here, or claim your no deposit bonus here, or claim the bonus right here. Yes, so you just click on the link that you see there. Okay, so it's going to bring you over to my Telegram channel. As you can see, this is what you're going to go through. This is what you're going to see. So to bring you over to my Telegram channel, so that is where you're going to get the link. Yes, so this is my Telegram channel, and that is where you're going to see the link. Can you get it? Yes, so that's how to access the link. And you can also join my Telegram community for more updates. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to sign up. Yes, so we have to input on first name, last name, email, then your username, your country, your phone number, then your password. Then after doing that, you click on sign up. But if you know that you already have an account, you can just log in. But for those that don't have an account, you have to sign up first. So let's do that. Okay, so I've registered successfully. Yes, and the message has been sent to my email. So after doing that, then I'm just going to log in properly. Yes, so I'm logged in. Yes, I'm logged in. This is my account. So after registration, the next thing that we have to do is to verify. Yes, so we need to do KYC verification. So we're just going to click on this 3 icon right here. Then we'll go to my profile. Okay. Yes, so we're going to be verifying our profile. Yes, so we're going to fill in all this. Then after doing that, we'll click on KYC. Yes, we're going to take a selfie. Take a selfie of yourself holding your ID with your full face clearly shown. Okay, so you have to choose your card type. Then you also need to upload your proof of address. So after doing that, you click on upload. Yes, so once you're done doing that, then the next thing for you to do is to message their support. So you click on contact support. So you message their support to credit you with the $50 no deposit bonus. Yes, so this is their phone number and this is their email. So once you message them to credit you with the $50 no deposit bonus, then they are going to send it to you. So all you just need to do is to trade 5 lots size. Yes, so that's all that you need to know about the site. Okay, so regarding the terms and conditions, we have it right here. Yes, so the trading platform that we're going to be making use of is MetaTrader 5. Yes, and the trading volume is 5 standard lots. Okay, so the profit withdrawal, all profits are withdrawable after conditions are met, and there's no deposit required. Yes, so just withdraw your profit without making any deposits. As you can see it. Okay, so these are the terms and conditions required to claim this bonus. Okay, just 5 standard lot size. That's what you're going to need to withdraw from the site. Okay, then message their support to get the bonus. After registration, you verify your KYC. After doing that, you message the support to credit you with the $50 no deposit bonus. And for you to make withdrawals, you just need 5 standard lots. Okay, so that's all that you need to know about this bonus. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.